My name is Lewis Cox, and I own LKC Automotive in Pleasant Grove. I started LKC Automotive in 1990. We specialize in foreign and domestic, light trucks and cars, SUVs, and everything in between.
My name is Chris Breitenberg. My position here at LKC Automotive is service writer. The core values that LKC Automotive is founded on is 100% customer service, cater to the needs of a customer, repairing the car right the first time, and creating a positive experience for our customers. The services that we perform are varied. We will do pretty much anything. We do a lot of computer work, a lot of electrical repairs. We do your safety and emissions, do oil changes, maintenance of any particular needs. We do brakes, CV axles, we do engine swaps, transmissions. We've even done automotive restorations.
All of our technicians are required to be involved in ongoing training and continuing education. We employ ASE certified technicians. We're a gold standard shop for the ASE certification. We have emissions and safety inspection certified mechanics.
What keeps our customers coming back is we know them, we know their families. We have worked on their grandparents' vehicles, their parents' vehicles, the kids' vehicles. They know that we'll take care of them. We try our best to accomplish the purposes that they go after and make sure that the repairs are completed right the first time and at a reasonable amount. We're excited to be part of the Blue Star program. We felt that it was a service that we weren't currently offering or doing a very good job at, but we felt that Blue Star would add to what we already had and would make a service available to our customers to give them peace of mind, to understand that those vehicles that they were looking to purchase were top quality vehicles because they'd gone through this rigorous process to find out where the problems were or to find out how great that car was they were looking to buy.
We'd be happy to have you as a customer of LKC Automotive. If you're in need of any repair, major or minor, or a Blue Star inspection, you can contact us at lkcauto.com or give us a call at 801-796-7007. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you soon.